Finally home for the day. Okay, that's good and locked. Time to check on Cherry and Nightmare. Hello, Nightmare. See you watching the fish today? Why are you watching through the algae? Yes, and I'm cleaning their tank out today, so you'll probably be able to see them better tomorrow. Nightmare. We're missing somebody. Yes, you know who we're missing. Where is Cherry? What do you mean she's in the kitchen? She's in the kitchen? Okay, I gotta go find her. Jeepers, she disappears all the time. Just put that there. So just gotta take a couple things off and we gotta go find her. And you stay there, you can watch the goldfish, okay? Just gotta go find her. I'm not sure Cherry's been in the kitchen, to be honest. But Cherry, what are you doing? Oh, I kind of got stuck. I can see you're stuck. What were you doing? I was emptying out the dishwasher and I couldn't. I went down to get the next row and I got stuck up here. I know you're just trying to be helpful, Cherry, but next time, wait until I get home and then we can do the dishes. Okay? Oh, okay. Let's just get you out of here. Huh? There. And we're done. That's closed. You're trying to be a very difficult Fuggler. Why? I'm not that difficult. Cherry, you got stuck in the dishwasher. How is that not trouble? It is? I didn't think it was. Anyways, I was stuck for only like an hour. An hour? Why'd you get Nightmare? I tried calling for her, but she was a little on the busy side watching the goldfish. That's Nightmare for you. She does not want to help anybody, except for herself. Anyways, I guess it's time to watch some TV. Anyways, we're gonna take him, this guy, put us on cartoons. And yep. And that's everything. Yeah, and Moose is so cute. Moose. Yeah, the big Fuggler I watch. Oops, did I say that loud? Yes, and shout out to Moose from Fuggler Friends, from Cherry. I didn't think she had a crush on him, even though technically Moose is in Pennsylvania and we're in Ontario. Totally different. Yeah, there's different states, aren't they? No, different countries. Oh, I didn't know about that. Well, anyways, you guys heard it. Cherry here likes Moose. I'm not sure Moose likes Cherry, so we'll see you guys later. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Fuggler_adventures. And we'll see you guys again next time.